Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Today let's learn how to make this multicolor beaded bracelet. It's very easy to do and looks so funky and cool. So let's get started. Take a string or a fish wire and insert a jump ring. Now insert a bead and press it with a plier. I don't know what it's called, but it's used to lock the hooks and connectors. Now take few beads. I used multicolored beads. You can take simple plain color beads of your choice. Insert a bead into both the wires. Now separate the wires and insert one bead in the left and one bead in the right. Now take a bead and insert both the wires in the opposite direction and pull it. It looks difficult, but trust me, it's very easy. One bead in the left, one bead in the right, and insert one bead into the wires in opposite direction. Repeat this process until you reach your desired length. And lastly, insert one bead into both the wires. Now finish it off by adding the jump ring and attach the clasp to it. That's it. Your pretty looking bracelet is ready to wear. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you guys. Happy crafting and bye bye.